Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will start with lesson 1 of English 1, that is the sentence. Before starting, let me tell you about the syllabus. Syllabus for English language. Lesson 1, the sentence. Lesson 2, subject and predicate. Lesson 3, phrases and clauses. Lesson 4, affirmative and negative sentences. Lesson 6, the noun. Then you have essay writing and letter writing. Letter writing is in informal form, writing a letter to your relatives. Grammar study from reader book, language practice from novel book and workbook will be included. Lesson 1, the sentence. So we have 26 letters in English alphabets. 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest are consonants. So in English alphabets, 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest are consonants. When these vowels and consonants are arranged in a systematic manner, or order, they form meaningful words. And these words are arranged in a systematic order to form a sentence. Definition of a sentence: a group of words that makes complete sense. Things to remember about a sentence is that it begins with the capital letter, it contains subject and predicate, contain words to convey the meaningful sense, and it ends with full stop, question mark, or exclamation mark. Example: these are jumbled words: friend, Sita, my, is. It's not giving a complete sense, or these words are not meaningful until they are arranged in a suitable manner. So let's arrange it in a suitable manner so that it forms a sentence. So it will begin with Sita, as will be capital. Sita is my friend, full stop. So Sita is my friend gives a meaningful sense. So this is a sentence. Now let's do the kinds of sentences. So mainly there are 4 kinds of sentences. First is assertive. Second is imperative. Third is interrogative. And fourth is exclamatory. So these are the 4 kinds of sentences. We will do it in detail: assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. Assertive sentences are further divided into 2. First is affirmative and the second is negative. affirmative sentences which are positive in nature, and negative sentences which contain words like not in a sentence. Open your page 6 of English 1 book. We have definition of assertive sentences over here. An assertive sentence makes a statement or assertion, statement or a fact, and it ends with full stop. Example, the sun sets in the west. She is not a good singer. Now this one is a fact that the sun always sets in the west, and this is a statement, but it contains not in it, so it is a negative sentence. This is not affirmative, it is negative, and this is a fact, the sun sets in the west. So if I will say she is a good singer, then it is affirmative. Now this sentence is negative sentence, but both these sentences are assertive sentences. Second type of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence expresses a command, a request, an entreaty. Entreaty means humble request or a wish. Most imperative sentences end with a full stop. Now we have examples over here. Open the door. Now this is a command. This is a command. Second, please lend me your book. Here we are requesting to give me a book. So it's a request. Save us. This is an entreaty. Entreaty means it's a humble request. And have a nice day. It's a wish. I'll give you one more example of imperative sentence. Shut the door. Now this is an imperative sentence, shut the door, because this is an order. This is an order. But here the whole part is predicate. We have to assume subject over here. We have to assume subject, that is you, means the person who is standing just near me. I am giving an order to that person to shut the door. You shut the door. So you is a subject here and we have to assume it.